Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming both accounts are ready, active email addresses and two-factor auth if available. Once signed into Steam, make sure the client is updated so linking features appear. Next, sign into your Microsoft account in a browser on the same machine to avoid cross-account confusion. Now, in Steam, navigate to Settings or the Account Linking area. This is the first actionable step because Steam will prompt for Microsoft authentication. Once done, you're ready to proceed to the authorization flow. You now follow the authorization flow. Choose Connect to Microsoft in Steam and allow the client to open Microsoft's consent screen. When prompted, read the permissions. Steam usually needs basic profile and email access, and then approve. Make sure the Microsoft account shown matches the one you signed into earlier. If it doesn't, cancel and sign into the correct Microsoft account. Once you accept, Steam receives a token and begins linking. If you see a confirmation, hold on and proceed to final verification. Finish by confirming the link in Steam's account settings. You should see Microsoft listed as connected. Once confirmed, test by launching a game or feature that requires Microsoft authentication to ensure tokens refresh correctly. If something goes wrong, try common fixes. Sign out of both apps, clear browser and Steam cache, disable VPN or privacy blockers, then retry the authorization. If the problem persists, revoke Steam from Microsoft account security and reauthorize. This often results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.